Hello and welcome to my channel, guys. Hope everybody is doing great. Today I'm going to talk about the Kirkland gold stock price and why it's really better if you buy this right now before the market crash. So let's get started.
All right, let's start with the particular stock price. So on last Friday, stock price was $45, and see the 5-year chart. It was growing very nicely. In the pandemic, it reached to like almost $32. Again, it reached to the peak of $73, and now it's back. It's like coming back since that, and almost reached on $45. Like I don't know why, but like because everything is going back to normal since they launched the vaccines. The particular companies launched the vaccines, but still, like there are chances that like there will be a big crash like coming soon. So it's really nice to invest in the gold before anything got happens. So you can see their particular dividend is 2.12%, which is very nice. And you can let's go to their particular company website and wait for a second. All right. So here, when you open their website, go to news and media. Oh, we don't need to download this because I already have this file. From here, go to this section. Oh yeah, you can see on January 12, 2021. Here you can see the company repurchased their 20 million shares, which is great. When you open this file, go to on their, oh yeah, here it is. So you can see the quarterly fourth report production. So they are simply comparing their quarterly fourth report with their quarterly fourth report on with the 2019 and 2020, and now we're just waiting for the quarterly report for the 2020, as you can see here. And they're also comparing this particular section with their quarterly third as well. Here you can see they produce almost total year ago. They have more sale than before, obviously because of the pandemic, and in this pandemic you can see the gold price went up. And then I just want to show you one more thing. When you go to the particular Yahoo Finance, you can see their revenue is growing really nicely from 2016 to 2019, and you can see the quarterly, like even the revenue of 2020 as well, and they are beating their estimates. Just the like quarterly first they just missed kind of 4%, like kind of 4.4, and and uh, and they have a report is on this week. So for right now, the price is $45. After the report, I'm sure the price it might increase to $50, but it's a really nice time to buy this because still we are at the peak. We're still at the market peak, so we don't know what would happen next. So nobody knows exactly. This year there might be a big crash coming. So everybody knows that gold work, like the particular gold thing, they work against the hedge as work as a hedge. So it's a really nice time to buy the particular this stock price and the company stock price because their financial statement is really strong, and it's almost good to buy. Even you can see the particular recommended trends. You can see mostly it's kind of strong buy and hold. So which is really nice, and their average current like average target price is $58, and currently it's at $45. Before their particular financial report, it's really better to invest this on this Monday, which is like tomorrow.
Yeah, so if you like my video, please like and comment and subscribe. Thank you.